Any message of hope?
I think that the world can seem scary if you look at the news and the media and look at what's going on. But I hope that people can believe that they can make change, you know, in some aspect, maybe in a huge aspect, maybe in a small, but as long as they believe that they have.
What do you believe?
I believe that even like Martin Luther King, I do believe it's on the race in America. I do believe one day we will get it right.
Okay.
It might not be in my lifetime, might not be now, but I do want to fight for that and fight towards that.
Mind. What lights you up? My last question.
Honestly, just being with people and just socializing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it doesn't have. It could be over a cup of coffee or water, or and just socializing really. And learning about people.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching Light Up with Chua, and I hope you enjoyed our conversation. And stay tuned for more episodes on Light Up with Chua. Thank you. Any message of hope?
There are so many good people in the world. I feel like I meet them every day. But no, I feel like we need to remember the goodness in the human heart, the human psyche, because we have so much evidence of how we get lost, how we get confused, what happens when we get afraid, what we do. So if we can also remember we have so much more potential than we'll discover in the newspaper. But find practices that help us touch into our own potential, and then to evoke it in each other and find strength in each other.
Exactly. I think we are doing that today.
Maybe.
So my last question to you is, what lights you up?
Well, probably in relation to what I just said, whenever I see people facing what's hard and then finding the courage and strength to address what needs to be addressed. If I have time to tell a quick story, I'll tell. Maybe 3-4 weeks ago, I was in a place of just one of those places of despair about the earth, feeling that, just all the negative. It's too late. It's hopeless. We have our current administration in this government, in this country, is intentionally dismantling regulations and withdrawing from treaties and just undoing, like right before my eyes almost every day, things that are there to protect the earth. And it makes me so angry and so sad. So there was a night I couldn't sleep, and I was up, and I got up and I said, I've got to go outside and be under the stars and just breathe in the presence of God. And then I thought, well, I think I'll just check my email. So I take my cell phone and, in my state of sort of depression, despair, looking at and I have an email from a priest I met last year in Canada when I was speaking in Vancouver. She was sending out the email saying, tomorrow I go before the judge. I was arrested for trying to stop this pipeline in Vancouver, I and a bunch of other people, and tomorrow we're going to be sentenced. We've been convicted, and we're going to find out how long we're going to be in jail. And she said in her email, I'm so happy, I'm so grateful to be alive, I love my life, I love the people I'm with, I know that I'm giving myself to a beautiful purpose. And reading this, I could feel my energy grow. And I felt like I really have a choice. And it's really a daily choice, sometimes an hourly choice. I can either go into despair, hopelessness, resentment, bitterness, anger, or I can go into that energy field of gratitude and courage, and I am going to give myself, and it's a path of joy. I'm going to give myself to trying to express the love and presence and power of God as best I can with other people, and that's a happy place to be. I have no idea if we're going to be successful. Like, I don't know if these efforts, I don't know if we're going to keep the average global temperature down to a level that human beings can sustain life. But I know there's no better way I can spend my life than to be part of that movement.
Thank you so much. That was wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. And I hope you enjoyed, my audience, this segment with Margaret. It was wonderful, rich conversation. I hope you have subscribed to our channel. This is part 2, and you have 2 parts with Margaret. So I hope you will share, rate, and review. Thank you.